Hello, welcome to Hotel Hero. This is the world's worst grab bar install. This is the final video, part 5. There was a little more gap than I anticipated because of the bent flange, even though I straightened it out. So what I did with it, I masked the cover. The cover is pretty much adhered to the flange at this point. And I'm using the second syringe on my 5-minute pre-mixed epoxy, Loctite. So I'm just going to apply a little bit more because I just want a nice bead so the water runs off evenly. And there could be some little residue, but that's all right. Pass it off. Heavy in that side, but I can wipe that off before it cures. And then I'm going back to the bottom flange. I get it to go just past the bolt and get the edge. Okay. All right, got tape on this cover. Hold it up in there. So, like I said, you can keep it loose. And this one I may not even have to tape because she's seated pretty good. And like I said, it's about one third to 1/2 covered, and then that'll be that. So this is set a little bit. I'm just going to wipe it. And in about a minute or two, I'll pull the tape because it'll start getting sticky. It'll be a little bit more difficult to clean. So we're going to pull it right now. All right. Well, I hope you found this video helpful, and God bless you today.